Alright, what's up everyone once again? Back for another video. Last one you just saw was the bringing the motor to the machine shop. This is about a week later. Yeah, this is a week later, so brought the motor to the machine shop last week. Gonna try to do a little more up-to-date videos instead of like a week behind, since I mean I usually only post once a week, but I should have a little bit more content since I got a ton of work to do. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit more than once a week, even though I hate editing, but it's part of the game, right? Oh, we're just working on some, like I believe I said in the last video, we're gonna paint the engine bay. So we're just working on some more prep to get the engine bay ready for the paint. I gotta figure out what things I'm taking out. I don't remember if it was done last one, but the whole brake booster and the master cylinder and brake lines are all out. I gotta remove, I took off the wiper motor. It's actually down there. I painted it just completely black because it was looking a little crusty. These pieces right there that hold the sway bar on, those are out. I don't even know what the hell those are called. The one bolt, I believe it's a 14 millimeter. It's actually a nut that goes through. It's the other side of this thing. That doesn't want to come off right now, so I'm not really gonna mess with it that much more at the moment. If I get around to doing it, I'll mess with it. But that stuff's fine for now. I might just give that another coat of black just to like freshen it up. Those are the motor mounts. Those used to be blue. Actually, could show you, hold on. Used to be that blue. It was blue like that. But I left that unpainted because you're never gonna see that. What I'm working on now, I know I still gotta take the rest of the fuel lines out, but what I'm working on now is trying to get this other fender off so I could mask it up nice. Let's get down here. It's a little noisy. I got a heater here, don't mind it. Sorry. As you see back here, there's two screws holding in. I don't think that third one's touching anything. That's cut off over there. But the two screws holding in the fender at the bottom. You can see it's kind of, the pinch welds are kind of like wavy. This was completely folded over. I straightened that out already, just like 20 seconds ago. And what I gotta do now, I either gotta drill them out or grind them off. So I don't know, I might just do the grinder because, I don't know. Maybe I'll try drilling first. Let's try drilling first. First, we're gonna see if the yellow one comes out with the 10 mil with the gun, but I know the screw is bent on the backside, so that one's most likely gonna have to get drilled out. Nice. This drill bit is a little bent and a little dull, so hopefully it makes it through. All right. All right, so we took the two screws down there. There was one like in there. You're not gonna be able to see right now, I don't have the light. Some this way, and then I believe one on the side, and you're ready to come off. So I'm just gonna zip these other, I think 3 more I have to go. Then the fender should come right off. Then I gotta find a spot for it, because that's not gonna work for the other one. But it doesn't work for that one, but it's not gonna work for the second one either. I think we got one more. Someone put a screw in there. I guess they stripped it out. The one I forgot. Time to take that cowl, I guess that's the cowl, off. 14 mils on the windshield wipers, and hopefully it pops right off. I'm running out of space for everything. This thing's a mess. I wonder how many years of dirt that is. Oh look, go find my shop vac because blowing that off with the compressor is just gonna make more of a mess in here, and it's already a mess. So let me try to find my shop vac. So I'm trying to, I vacuumed this off. It's a lot cleaner now, but not 100%. I'm gonna wipe it down with some degreaser and clean that up, but I'm trying to think of what else I want to remove from here before I start the whole masking off and sanding process. Off the bat, I'm probably gonna grind these down, these little nubs right here. Got 2 of those. I may try to remove this bracket just to clean it up. Gonna leave the clutch, because as you see, it was already painted this color once before, so I'm just gonna tape off the top. Yeah, I believe that's it for now. I'll have to do some masking probably from the inside of the car so I can get full coverage out here. I'm gonna remove the rest of the fuel lines, the flexible ones, and probably just spill fuel all over the garage, and it's gonna smell horrible in here. But let me get to doing one of those things I just said. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grind this down and then try to clean it up, make it nice, then degrease everything. I could use the cutting wheel. I got like a flappy disc. Glass of safety first. So that's nothing a little Bondo can't fix, those little pieces. Might even be good with just spraying it nice thick with primer and then sanding it down, but just gonna continue doing stuff like that. You don't need to see this. I'll end up taking that piece off. Really just cleaning up now. I took the rest of the fuel lines off. There's really like one hole I want to work on, but I don't even know what to do with it. It looks like shit. I just gotta find like a plug for it or something. This one right here, like chewed up. I'm trying to think of what I could do with that. Maybe just flapper disc it, the edge a little flusher, and then maybe just use a file and try to like make it look less jagged. But other than that, I'm pretty happy, and I just need to get some painter's tape. So the last thing I think I did was file that hole to make it not like someone just like took a chisel and just hit it through, and that was their hole. Cleaned it up a little bit. It's still not circular, but it's a little oval, but it looks not horrible. Cleaned up the subframe a little bit. I don't want to take that out of the car, and I don't want to take that out of the car because that's just an extra thing to remove, and then I'm gonna wind up painting it. It's in good shape at the moment, so I'm gonna leave it. Like I said, I cleaned it up. All I gotta do right now, I guess, is just tape off some stuff. I gotta go find my painter's tape. Gonna tape off the whole steering rack and all that stuff. Mask off the holes that I have. Really just anywhere I don't want paint, I'm gonna tape off. So I'm gonna try to do that. Hopefully I don't run out of tape today. It's probably where I'm gonna end it, because if I start sanding, I don't know. So I'm probably just gonna tape everything off and maybe give everything like a light sand by hand. I don't know what grade I'm gonna use yet. I think that's gonna be it for today, because I don't think I'm gonna hit it with the primer because it's a little chilly out. So I don't want it to not set properly, and this garage smells like gas right now, so I have the door open, all the doors open, so it's getting colder. So me throwing the heaters on at the moment isn't gonna do anything. I don't know yet. I might wait till tomorrow. I might try to throw the heaters on and do it later on tonight, but I don't know yet. So I'm just gonna end it today with some tape and maybe a little bit of sanding. I don't know about the sanding yet. So as you see, that's all I got to. I ran out of tape, so I'm calling it a night. I'll deal with the rest of this tomorrow. Hopefully it's a little warmer. I can throw the heaters on and maybe get a coat of primer after I finish taping and do a little sanding. Don't think I need too much sand. I just gotta scuff up paint really just to get the thing, just to get the primer to stick right. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe. If you know anyone that's building 240 and they may be interested in this, pass the videos along, and see you guys in the next one.